Alright, boys and girls, welcome to You Know Who, Goring Guitar and Wednesday. All you guys who follow me, you know what that means. We have songs you wish for during the week or way back. Yes, there are no rules here. I pick one at least and bring them up for you on Wednesday. So this is your day, and this is especially your Cameron ADT or ADIT. I'm not sure about your name. You wish for Khalid's Backseat, and I can't believe I slept on this song. I love Khalid. I listened to this song as well, but yeah. And never on Goring Guitar, so it's about time to bring this up. I think it's 2-3 years old at least, this song. Anyway, hope you enjoyed Cameron and all you Kelly fans. I'm one of them, so this will be fun. No, let's go into it. And we don't use any capo here. We have 4 chords rolling in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna look into the strumming pattern and chords and so on. So let's start with that. F major 7 is the first one. So that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G6 chord, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, and then just open strings below there. Open D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally, we have the D sus2. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And you can hear the strumming pretty clear at 59 seconds in or so. And what everything all these chords has in common is that they are played with the open E string in the end there. So if you think about it, the F major, A minor, the G6, and the D sus. So they have all this open E string, and we're gonna use a down up strumming pattern to start with. You can, like I said, hear that at 59 seconds in, and we're gonna split it in 2 parts, but it's basically the same there. So if you go to the first chord, the F major, one full round goes like this. Okay, so we're gonna start with down up, down up, down up, down up. So you're gonna play down up, down up, down up, down up, and that little mark up there is because we have a short little pause before the second part comes in there. So, and the third down, if that makes sense. So down up, down up, down. This one you can push a little bit extra on that one because that is where the beats are. The beats comes there at that point. So try to get a little bit extra kick on that down. Okay, you're gonna see that later on. We're gonna build in the beats into the strumming. So that is the point there. So down up, down up, down up, down up. Okay, then a short little pause, and then comes the second part, and it starts with up. Okay, so that's the logic behind the pause there. We just take away the first down, otherwise it just continues in the same way. So down up, down up, down up, down up. So again, if you start with the up, we just took away the first down, so you count that as the 1, but we just took away. And then you continue with down up, and then comes the third down again. You give an extra kick there as well. So, okay. So part 1 will be down up, down up, down up, down up, pause, and then up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So together. Try to exaggerate a little bit extra just for you to understand what's going on there, and that it will be 1 string around. So I'm gonna play it for you so you understand how it sounds and how it should be played, like this. All right, so that is a strumming. I know Could be a little bit confusing with all the downs and ups, but I think you will get it. Practice is the key here. Anyway, you're gonna play one full round of the F major 7, both part 1 and part 2. Then you go to the A minor and play part 1, the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then that short little pause, you shift to G6 and play part 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you finish off with the D sus chord and play 2 full rounds of that. And that is what's rolling here. So let's do it together. F major 1, A minor part 1, G6 part 2, D sus 2 full rounds like this. Alright, so there you have the strumming, just clean downs and ups. Now, instead of that, we can also bring in the clap to have a little bit more of a beat emphasized strumming pattern. So what you do here is just replace that marked out downs, the third downs in each and every part, so to speak, and give it a clap instead. So hit a clap there, and that will sound down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay? So just a clap instead of that, a third down, and it will sound like this in a context. Again, F, A, G, and D. Alright guys, so that's it. That is how you handle Khalid's Backseat. Just yeah, chill out with this one, listen to it, get the feeling for the song, grab a guitar, follow this 4 chords and strumming, and you have that. So hope you enjoyed it, Cameron, all you Khalid fans out there, and yeah, hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.